In this video, I'll show you how to install and play Resident Evil 2 Remake in first-person view using the latest mod. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down under Assets. If your game has ray tracing support, then select this RE2 zip. If your game doesn't have ray tracing supported, then select this RE2 TDB66. Once you download done, right click and select WinRAR and select to open with WinRAR and right click on the game and select to open file location. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, this menu will shown. Expand this configuration. Select this menu key. Press the key you like to change. Whenever you close and reopen using that key. Expand this first person and set this to enabled and press the key to toggle off this menu. Now you can enjoy the game with first person view. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.